AI is taking over people's jobs, including doctors, and here's how it's doing it. In late 2024, Google DeepMind's AlphaFold 3 transformed how we understand the building blocks of life itself. Proteins are the workhorses of every cell in your body, and their function is entirely determined by their three-dimensional shape. For decades, figuring out these shapes required months of painstaking laboratory work and expensive equipment. Scientists used AI alongside AlphaFold technology to identify a promising new drug candidate to fight breast and prostate cancers. The AI rapidly analyzed thousands of potential compounds, a task that would have taken human researchers years. The developers of AlphaFold, John Jumper and Demis Hassabis, were awarded the 2024 Nobel Prize in Chemistry. AlphaFold changed everything. The system can now map out how proteins interact with DNA, RNA, and pharmaceutical drugs. The AlphaFold database holds over 214 million predicted protein structures. What once took research teams months can now be done in hours for millions of proteins. Research shows that drugs discovered by AI in Phase 1 clinical trials have a success rate of 80 to 90% compared to just 40 to 65% for conventionally discovered drugs. Google's MedPalm 2 scored 85.4% on the United States medical licensing examination, reaching expert-level performance. This specialized medical AI has been fine-tuned to understand and respond to complex medical questions. Healthcare institutions are integrating this into telemedicine platforms to provide immediate, accurate responses to patient questions. In rural or underserved communities where access to medical specialists is limited, MedPalm 2 offers expert-level medical knowledge when people need it most. This functions as a tool to augment physician capabilities, assisting with clinical reasoning and differential diagnoses. The system includes multiple safety measures, content filtering, and bias mitigation. In January 2024, the FDA authorized DermaSensor, the first AI-enabled medical device for skin cancer detection intended for primary care physicians. This extends diagnostic capacity to general practitioners, addressing access limitations that affect more than a third of patients. The device uses spectroscopy combined with AI algorithms trained on millions of skin lesion images. Studies show that AI in dermatology achieves diagnostic performance comparable to or better than experienced dermatologists in detecting melanoma. In October 2025, research published in JACC, Cardiovascular Interventions revealed that an AI-powered EKG model nicknamed Queen of Hearts. The study examined over 1,000 patients with suspected STEMIs at 3 European primary PCI centers. Angiography confirmed that 601 patients had actual STEMIs. The AI correctly identified 553 of these, compared to just 427 detected by standard methods. The AI had a false positive rate of just 7.9%, compared to 41.8% for standard triage, a 5-fold reduction. Reducing false positives by that magnitude while catching more actual heart attacks fundamentally enhances patient safety. In 2024, hospitals across Europe and the United States deployed AI-powered systems for fracture detection. AZ Turnhout's radiology department in Belgium has used AZ Trauma, an FDA-cleared and CE-certified AI solution, for 2 years to identify bone fractures, joint effusions, and dislocations. After processing about 250 patients per week during a trial period, the hospital found the error rate was very small, with performance comparable to humans. The UK's National Institute for Health and Care Excellence has recognised this AI technology as essential for diagnosing bone fractures across the NHS. It ensures fractures are diagnosed quickly and accurately during time-pressured workloads. In late 2024, the NHS rolled out AI-powered chest X-ray systems across Greater Manchester to accelerate lung cancer detection. The Annalise.ai system detects up to 124 different findings on chest radiographs. When it identifies potential lung cancer cases, that information reaches the reporting medical provider in under a minute. 7 NHS trusts across Greater Manchester are deploying this technology, covering a third of all chest X-rays processed in the UK. Hippocratic AI founded in February 2023, developed large language models specifically designed to function as virtual nurses. In partnership with NVIDIA, announced in 2024, they created generative AI healthcare agents powered by a 1 trillion parameter system called Polaris. This design reduces AI hallucinations and increases safety by having multiple specialized systems working together. These AI agents conduct remote patient monitoring, follow-up calls, provide medication reminders, offer dietary guidance, and direct patients with concerning results to human healthcare workers. Voice-based agents launched in January 2025 offer these services at $9 per hour, roughly a tenth of the cost of human nurses. When someone has a stroke, brain cells die at a rate of nearly 2 million per minute. In this race against time, every second of delay in diagnosis and treatment results in permanent damage. Rapid AI has transformed this process across hospitals worldwide. The system processes CT scans automatically, detecting large vessel occlusions and hemorrhages within minutes, then immediately sends alerts and detailed images to clinicians' mobile devices. This parallel workflow allows the entire stroke team, emergency physicians, neurologists, interventional radiologists, to see the same images simultaneously and make treatment decisions while the patient is still in the CT scanner. Henry Ford Health in Detroit adopted rapid AI and saw door-to-treatment times drop significantly, while the percentage of stroke patients discharged directly home increased to 57.4% in 2024, compared to 48.8% at peer comprehensive stroke centers. The platform helped them perform more thrombectomies while decreasing the length of hospital stays by approximately 1.5 days, despite treating more complex cases than before. Alzheimer's disease is a silent thief. For years, sometimes decades, it quietly damages the brain without showing obvious symptoms. By the time someone notices memory loss, the disease has already progressed significantly. There's no rewind button, no way to recover lost memories or cognitive function. In November 2024, the FDA approved IcoBrain Aria, the first ever AI software approved specifically to detect a dangerous side effect of new Alzheimer's treatments. IcoBrain Aria is a deep learning system trained on thousands of brain MRI scans to automatically detect ARIA and assess its severity. The radiologist uploads a patient's MRI scan, and the AI instantly generates a comprehensive report highlighting exactly where ARIA is present, how severe it is, and what that means for continued treatment. The AI essentially gives radiologists a trained eye that never gets tired, that doesn't miss subtle details, and that provides standardized, consistent evaluations every single time. AI decodes protein structures and accelerates drug discovery with Nobel Prize-winning accuracy. AI passes medical licensing exams at expert level and provides guidance to underserved communities. AI screens for diabetic retinopathy and skin cancer in primary care, catching disease before vision loss occurs. AI reads EKGs better than experienced cardiologists, detecting heart attacks while slashing false alarms, analyzes thousands of medical images, assists surgeries with robotic precision, and monitors ICU patients to predict sepsis hours before symptoms appear. And AI virtual nurses provide continuous remote monitoring at a fraction of traditional costs. This is happening right now in hospitals and clinics worldwide, transforming how medicine is practiced and delivered. The age of AI in healthcare has already arrived,